If you are running a restaurant in 2025, then you already know juggling of booking, managing guests, and keeping services smooth isn't easy. So, what if I told you there is a one platform that takes care of all that? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into OpenTable, a restaurant manage and reservation tool that's help thousands of business from crazy cafes to find dining giants run smoother than ever. Now let's break it down and see if OpenTable still hold up in 2025 and why it might just be best choice out there. So first of all, let's us know what is OpenTable. So think of it as your digital uh, handling everything from reservation and table management to guest preference and real-time updates. It is not just a booking app for dinners, it is a full-blown restaurant operation tool that helps you to run the front of house like a pro. And the best part, it is designed to scale with your businesses. Whether you are managing 10 seats or 2000, open tables get you back. So first of all, let's talk about key features of open table. So these are some feature of open table. First feature is real-time table availability. So what does it mean? So for example, forget awkward double booking. Guests can see up to the second availability and book their table instantly, right from your website or the app. Perfect for peak hours and special event. If you talk about the second feature, which is customizable floor plan management, so you can actually design your restaurant layout, rotate floor plans, and set party size rules, even create a special event layout for big nights like New Year Eve. Now, the third feature, which is guest profile and CRM. So, track your regulars, remember their favorite wine, or see how often they visit. It is not just data, it is about creating a personal experience that keeps people coming up. So, the fourth feature is wait list and queue management. So, add them to a digital wait list, send them real-time updates, and reduce those frustrating wait times. Now, POC integration and analytics. So, OpenTable works with your POC to collect real-time data so you can track performance, see what is working, and make smart decisions. So, let's walk through what a guest experience looks like. A dinner book through the app, and the system updates in real time, no overbooking. They arrive and the host sees their name and sitting preference and last order. A personalized greeting goes long way, right? They enjoy their meal and afterward they can rate the experience, giving you the instant feedback that helps you to get better. So it's all smooth, efficient, and connected. Now, if you are worried about onboarding your staff, the OpenTable thought of that too. They offer an OpenTable Academy, which is training program from beginner to advanced level, and so your team learns everything from how to handle booking and guests to how to use performance data to grow the business. That's huge, especially if you are expanding or hiring new team members. So that's it. So what makes often OpenTable stand out in 2025? So there is other platform out there, sure, but here is where OpenTable stand out. So first thing first, which is it is a user friendly even for non-tech staff. So for example, a restaurant hosted with no prior tech experience can easily check in as a guest, update the wait list, or assign tables using simple table interface. No training manual needed. The second thing is it handles both reservations and walk-ins. For example, a busy Saturday night, no problem. The system lets a customer book online in advance while also managing a live waitlist for walk-in, so no one gets missed. So the third thing is it integrates with your tech stack, POS, menu systems, and guest reviews. So after a meal, for example, the system syncs with your POS to track spending, suggest tailored offer through your menu system, and automatically prompts guests to leave review, creating a seamless guest experience. And the last but not the least, which is with real-time updates and in-depth reports, you are always in control. So for example, the manager gets instant updates if a large group cancels, see which server are the busiest, and pulls weekly performance report to optimize staffing and sitting layouts. Honestly, it is not just software, it is having a super smart assistant in your restaurant. So is it right for you? So should you use OpenTable? If you are running a small uh, bistro that wants to grow, or a high-end restaurant looking for efficiency uh, and a stellar guest experience, then yes, it is built to be flexible, scalable, and smart. You are not just managing booking, you are building relationships with improving service and growing your brands. So that's our deep dive into OpenTable in 2025. If you are found this video helpful, then give it us a thumb and hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment if you want comparison with other restaurant platform like Resi or Yelp reservation. So thanks for watching.